I'm going to teach you how to clean your Xbox fans here. You have to clean it out a little, and then you just like snort it in. Start cleaning your eyes, you know. Then you like cleaning it out. Just get that little dust to stick in there, you know. So you professionally do it. And sometimes you just gotta stick it in here like this, and then you have to spin it a little. And sometimes it doesn't. It's a little hard going in there. Then you start spinning it, it starts cleaning it even faster. Sometimes it gets better. So you gotta take a new piece, start cleaning it. Sometimes you start to take your Xbox cases apart. Start dusting it. You get it as clean as this right here. It gets pretty clean. You get that end of your fan. Take it all the way through the other side, and you just start weaving it in and out. Like that. Puff it back out. Start getting it up clean, and shit, this is pretty clean. We're getting it pretty clean here, guys. We might be doing the best job of the hidden aids. You know how to get those Chinese people to do it back at the Xbox. You have to have them Chinese guys doing it for you. They have no idea what Xbox is. They get that 5 cents per hour, you know. Sometimes you get a little extra scrap. Start, just like you're gonna pick your nose, you know. You just start doing it like this, start twisting it. You just get it right in those little dinky holes. Little specks out. Little specks right there. Just that little speck. Like that. Until you get it, now you have to do the next fan. See how clean this fan is here in a minute. Let me get a little touch-ups. See how clean this fan is in the back here. Nice and fresh, a little clean. Brand new fan there. Now you look at this fan. You got a little turd nugget on there, you know? You have to clean it out just like that. See how clean that fan is? Now you look at this turd nugget one. You get the leech dust. That's what they call it. Back at the shop. That's what they call it. You gotta get it in there a little. You start rubbing it, you know? Sometimes you just gotta jerk it a little. You start cleaning it out. You get some little dust bunnies. How you know if you get dust bunnies on your stuff? We'll show you that in a minute. We'll show you how you know if your house has dust in it. Better show you some real dust. After this video. Sometimes you get them little toilet paper stuck on there, you know? Sometimes it just gets a little stuck in there. You have to blow it off like that. Just in case you didn't know. Pretty soon your thing, you start shredding, you have to start getting new toilet paper. Just in case it might be better if you had a Q-tip, but we don't have that, so we're doing cheap style. Clean right on the end of your little fan there. There you go. Then you get that clean fan, just like all of them clean. There you go. Here in a minute, we'll be showing you a little bit how you test if your house has dust. So we'll get back to you on that. Oh, hey guys. Well, I forgot to show you guys how to test dust for dust. Well, once your walls start flying up with dust here, this is when you know when you need to get a new fire extinguisher also. Start getting a little dust cloud. And then you know. This is how you know when your house has dust. Check your kitchen a little. Yeah, that's about all you can test. What's up? This is how you know when you got dust spores flopping out. Yep, as you examine A and B, C and D. Yeah, and some more stuff, you know, flopping about.
Just start.
Restart. Oh, hey guys.
What the fuck is this?
How did that? Okay.